Good evening, good afternoon. Welcome to Print Advisor YouTube channel. I'm trying to do in this format because some people are liking this format. I think in English there's a saying, familiarity breeds contempt. So if you keep seeing my face in all the videos, then probably I think you'll start you may start disliking me on a casual note. So Nifty 39 advances, 11 declines. I'll come back to this close 12,107, and next we look at advances. 783 advances, 972 declines. Okay, then we'll go to index. Okay, 52 week high, 52 week low. 66 stocks, 52 week high, 52 week low, 71 stocks. It's not a good sign. Something is different, not like yesterday. Then let's look at index. So index generally in this you see like lot of greens here, but that does not matter, just for information only. We can't say anything. Generally in the end, all these are green, but market is down, so it's very difficult to say. Now let's look at most active securities. So your eyeball housing finance, SBI and Reliance, there's no new name in this. ITC has been coming for quite some time, and if you notice, SBI, Reliance, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Bajaj Finance, and two or three other stocks, they only kept the market up. Now also, when the market went up, gap up, they are there. So these are the stocks, something not right in the sense, like I think it's being operated upon. That's what the feeling I'm getting, because entire last year Nifty was up because of these 10 stocks. Okay, so you have to be a little more careful. And also all these stocks are in the all-time highs. So all-time highs, value or volume, you need to be cautious. Volume. Yes Bank, IBUL, CPSE ETF letter, let's not talk about it. SAIL, ITC, National Aluminium, we have to check. And we have GAIL up by 5.9%. We'll have to check the chart and take a call based on that. So basically this is where these are the two areas where you can see some stocks, trend results can be identified. Okay. So other than that, if you look for today, Nifty is, yesterday it gave a buy sell signal. Today is a buy signal day one, but we need a confirmation tomorrow, which means it should close about 12,090. 12,080 to 90 is the range, but if it closes about 12,090 tomorrow also, then a fresh leg of upside can be seen. But these days markets are one day gap up, one day gap down. So we'll have to wait and see what's going to happen tomorrow. There is no clear directional call we can take in this market because of this volatility. So 12,107 is the close. 21-day moving average is 12,112. 12,180 is 50-day moving average. It is closed below those two levels. And Bank Nifty 31,107 is an important level. That is the 21-day moving average. It's closed above that, 31,300. And 31,539 is another level for Bank Nifty. That's a 50-day moving average. That's another resistance. But if it crosses that, it can go up to 31,744. So that will be a very big resistance for Bank Nifty. But in addition to that, Bank Nifty, I told you yesterday, it made a negative crossover. I will try and show this in the candlestick chart. Yeah, okay. Now this is a 50-day moving average. You can see in the box 50-day moving average. Okay. This is 21-day moving average. So I don't use this much, but generally for extreme situations I use, but we don't use this much because we are more into long-term buying, and for short-term we look at something else. So here is the negative crossover. Whenever a lower SMA crosses below a higher SMA, it's a negative crossover. The opposite of this is a positive crossover. Okay. Now, if you see Bank Nifty made a continuous V-shaped recovery, but this low is not broken. But in Nifty, in a similar chart, this low is broken. Okay, this low is broken, and So we can say it's weak. This is the level I said, this 50, and this is the 50 level. This is the 21. So these two levels are very important. But Bank Nifty appears strong. But we'll have to wait and see. And I want to check whether Nifty has closed below yesterday's open price. So yesterday's open price was 12,102. It's closed above that 12,101. This is what I said. It was a continuous rally. This low has been broken. Okay, and Nifty here also looking like it's going to cross the negative crossover is planning to happen. So other than that, I don't have anything to update. Have a nice day. Bye.